This is a 2010 Ford F-150. It has a 5.4-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, a double wishbone independent front suspension, power adjustable driver pedals, a low tire pressure indicator, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, automatic locking wheel hubs, running boards, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 31,000 miles on the odometer. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Cunis Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1234 East Geneva Street in Delavan.